Hi everyone. So this Saturday, myself and Megan have our Cami for Chaos event. The purpose of this event is to allow you to set some time and give yourself permission before the madness of Christmas begins, because it can be a busy season often when we are just running on empty and juggling absolutely everything that comes with the Christmas season. And I suppose often for mums, from when you have a baby and from when they grow into a toddler, a preschooler, a schooler, and then going from primary to secondary school, from the moment your child is born, your body is always on. It is designed to be like this because you need to nurture your baby. But because it is always on and you're on go, and your maternal instinct is to look after your kids and you constantly worry about them, and you're focused on making sure that they're growing and they're thriving and just everything that comes with a bit of mum and because your body is always on, what happens is that your body then interprets this as stress because of this always on mode, and it interprets this as stress and releases cortisol, or stress hormone, which often can lead to that fight, flight or freeze mode. And how we reduce that stress and that cortisol is different tools, and the tools are kind of different for everyone, whether it's exercise, whether it's whether it's yoga. And everyone has, or at least has some tools in their toolbox that they reach to in moments of stress and that. And the breath for mums, especially because one, your body's always on, but also for us women, we also have that our hormones, and that's just another addition to what we go through. And at certain times a month, our progesterone, which is our calming hormone, as you come towards the end of your cycle, that dips, and but also as we get older, that is in decline, and that is our calming hormone, and that helps us to feel relaxed and calm. So it's so important that we have tools that can help create calm when we don't have that calmness, and that because that is in decline, and then because we're always on, we're juggling and you're working and whatnot and that. So breathwork is an amazing tool to activate the nervous system and take us from that fight, flight or freeze into that calmness. So this session is going to be absolutely gorgeous. It's going to be a small group. It's going to be a mix of myself and Megan doing some breath work, and for Reiki specifically for mums with kids of all ages and it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. Anyone who comes along to both of our events, they don't regret it. They leave feeling more relaxed, more chilled, more and saying, oh my god, I need to do this more often, but also with the tools to know what to do when life becomes a little bit chaotic. So it is going to be, we want to keep this a small enough session, especially for the Reiki part. There's no experience necessary when it comes to the breath work and when it comes to Reiki. Just come as you are and allow us to guide you. So as I say, we want to keep it a small enough session. We have a few spots left. But if you want to come along, if you want to share with friends or family members, come alone, come together. Anything works. It's going to be a session full of like-minded mums there, and it's going to be a very safe, relaxed session and atmosphere in that. So I would suggest booking your spot as soon as you can. I will leave the link here, and the link is in the bio on my page as well. And yeah, would love to see you there.